Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and now let's scroll down in order to find the security option, let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down a little again, and in app installation section we've got unknown source installations, so just tap on it, and here we've got the list of all apps which are not allowed to install anything. So if you'd like to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install some content, all you have to do is simply find it and tap on the switcher right here. Now your device is asking you if you really want to do it, because some apps from external sources are not verified by your developer and may contain the security risk, so actually you're doing it on your own responsibility. All you have to do right now is simply tap on allow, and as you can see right now this option is active, so it means that the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Obviously it will work with all other apps on this list, and if you'd like to turn it off you can do it whenever you want. Just tap on the switcher again, and as you can see right now it is inactive. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.